I did want to get your guys' opinion. For those of you who are watching this video, I don't know if this would work. I was trying to uh, essentially learn on the fly about tick manipulation. Now, obviously, there's the knife and the teak log, there's the low-level herbs and the swamp tar. But what I didn't realize, well, what I should have realized but didn't realize, was that you actually need certain skill levels to tick manipulate. In other words, to use a knife on a teak log in order to tick manipulate, you actually need the 46 fletching to make the teak stock. And then similarly with the guam and swamp tar, you need 19 herb lore to make swamp tar, which makes sense. I hadn't thought about it. It made 35 woodcutting really underwhelming for me. It made me have to figure out what I was going to do. I did try to come up with something new, and I want to know what you guys think about it. I'm not currently doing it because I don't know if it's worth my time, because I don't know if it works. But I learned that the action of putting a secondary into an unfinished potion, so for me, obviously I'm level 3, that would be an Eye of Newt and an unfinished guam potion, is a 2-tick motion. So my question is can you use that tick motion to offset the woodcutting motion to make it almost like a 2-tick woodcutting? I tried it on my Iron Man for a while. I noticed that the XP rates were increased to some level. I don't think it was quite as effective as what 2-ticking would be. Probably only like 8 to 10k XP extra an hour. And I failed many times in the process of putting the guam into the potion, and then I would just have an attack potion. The other downside of this is that you can only have one Eye of Newt and one unfinished potion in your inventory, or it'll give you the make all option. So if anybody watching this video has more knowledge of tick manipulation than I currently do, I would appreciate it. Once I get to the more familiar methods, when I have the stat requirements, I think I'll be able to catch on pretty easily. But I would like somebody to explain to me why that would or would not work. In theory, if I could do it perfectly and never miss the tick, could that movement be tick manipulated the same way those other movements are? So yeah, let me know what you think.